चलिए अब हम सॉल्व करेंगे सेकंड बिट ऑफ थर्ड प्रॉब्लम. इन दिस प्रॉब्लम they said that there are two angles and they are supplementary angles, and you already know that supplementary angles are nothing but the sum of two angles is nothing but 180 is 180, and in the question they give the difference between these two angles is 18. So let us now form two equations with the help of this given information. First, let us assume that larger angle is x and smaller angle is y. Now since they gave difference is 18, so we are writing x minus y is equals to 18, and since that those two angles are supplementary angles, we have written x plus y is equals to 180. And let us assume this as first equation and this as second equation. And from this first equation, when you transpose this minus y towards right side, you can write x is equals to 18 plus y. Now this x is equals to 18 plus y. Let us substitute in equation 2. Means here in place of x, let us write x is equals to 18 plus y in equation 2. So when you substitute, you will get y is equals to 81. Now let us take this 81 value, y is equals to 81 value, and substitute in equation 2. So what we have to do here, in place of y we have to write 81. So when you write x plus 81 is equals to 180, you will get x is equal to 99. So finally we also got the value of x. Therefore the required angles are 99 and 81. Hope you got good clarity on the discussed solution. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.